The hell is that? Oh, there he is. Dude, what the fuck is that? That white thing right there is just fucking spying on my mom is freaking out right now. Is it flying? Hold on. Oh my god. Swear to god if this is another fucking weapon. Holy shit. That white thing is not moving. I'm just moving my camera. I don't know how that smoke right there is just, I don't know what. I didn't even saw that. Oh my god. I don't know. What the fuck is this white thing? This is another one of those damn things. It's one of those fucking Chinese shit going on here. Holy shit. I don't know what the hell is that thing? Oh my god. I swear to god, if this is another fucking weapon. I am so terrified right now. Oh my god. I have never seen that. God. Holy shit. My god. It's just like the movie on Independence Day. Oh. Oh. Wait. I have no idea how the hell did that just happened. Oh shit. This is just, oh my god. I have no fucking idea what the hell is that white thing. I don't know. Tell me that this is another secret weapon. I don't know how that thing got fucking, I don't know how this thing is going on. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm already out. Oh my, holy shit. Oh my god, there. What is that? What is that? Is that supposed to be a fucking rocket? Oh my god, there's two. Oh, holy shit, there's two. Oh my god. What is that? So, fit. Oh my god. So that's what those jets are doing though. They're just like, are they trying to shoot that thing? Holy shit. I mean, y'all seen this? Y'all fucking seen this, man? Oh my god, those jets are just circling around. Just flying around in damn circles. I don't know, just... Dude, is this like fucking real or something? Oh my god. This is terrifying. Oh my god, what the... Oh my god. This is fucking worse. Hopefully the United States citizen, hopefully they can stop that thing. Oh my god. Holy shit. It is so damn cold outside. I can't even hold my phone that much longer. If my phone is just, the wind's just making the sound. It's not the jets. God, I am fucking freezing. Oh my god. Holy shit. I don't know what the hell that white circle thing is, though. As you see, the jets are trying to figure out what's going on. I don't know, but I think is. Please tell me this is not another war again. I swear to God, if this is a war. Are y'all seeing this, y'all? This shit crazy. That's the first time I had been fucking scared of semi-soul computing. It's the first time I ever saw that white circle around the sky. Oh, fuck. Oh my god. God damn. This is so weird. But I swear to God, if this is another threat. Oh, let me move my camera out there. Someone better stop that thing. This is just crazy. I wish I had my telescope with me, but I don't have it with me right now. Clearly, this is the best shot I can get. This is like literally the best shot I can get. Or worst. Oh my god. Oh my god. God, my hands are fucking freezing right now. Dude, check this out, man. This is top bad, man. I don't know what the hell is that white thing. I swear if there's more of these things around the world, we're all gonna be... Oh, I don't even want to fucking know. Are the jets coming back, or... I don't know if they're fucking coming back right now. They're just... There is a white... Oh! Hold on, there's another jet over there.